we can perceive this moment without mind, without ego, we see everything is made of one supreme bliss, one infinite goodness, that all is good, all is joy, all is peace. And just like we see a sandcastle on the beach, we can see the castle. We can imagine the people living in the castle, people living around the castle. But we can also perceive that it is made of sand, that truly what is here at the essence is sand. That the sand simply has taken the form of a castle. And even though it has taken the form of a castle, it is still sand. So too, if we perceive without mind, without ego, we see everything is made of the same bliss. Everything is truly like the sand, one supreme bliss. This is what we can discover in meditation. This is what we come to realize in meditation. We close our eyes. Hopefully we put on the Shakti music. It helps us feel subtler levels of experience. But first we notice the physical. We notice the physical body. With our eyes closed, we can recognize certain physical feelings, the feet on the floor, our hands touching, our wrists resting on our legs. This is the densest level of experience. Now we can notice the thinking level of experience, a subtler experience. Yet it is our main perception. Our reality is based on our thinking. Really, our reality is our thinking, is our thoughts. But we can see that thinking is happening. Instead of being caught up in the stories, in the content of the thinking, we can see thinking is happening. We can allow thinking to happen without being involved in the content. We can allow the physical to be relaxed and still so we don't pay attention to it. We don't have to stop thinking. We don't have to change our experience. We just allow it to be. And now there is a subtler level of experience. Even the thinking we can perceive a subtler level of what thought is. We feel it as a subtle energy. We feel feelings, emotions, sensations, subtle sensations as energy. Now, can we feel subtly into energy? What is energy? Not in our thinking, but in subtle feeling. Your experience right now, whatever it is, if you allow it to be, you feel into it at a subtle level. Surrendering ego, surrendering being caught up in mind. We feel a peace, a bliss. That is the essence of the physical, that is the essence of the mental, that is the essence of feeling. And if we follow this energy, this subtle energy, to its essence, as we go subtler and subtler, we find the one supreme bliss, who is everything. The one supreme bliss, that is who we are. That is what our experience is. That is what is perceiving this moment, or who is perceiving this moment. So we're not looking to be free of thoughts. We're not looking to change ourselves in this moment. We're not looking to get bliss, to try and attain bliss. We're just simply allowing what is, getting to the essence, feeling subtler and subtler what is here. We're letting go of control. We're letting go of distraction. We're letting go of ego. Holding on to a sense of I. Holding on to a knower, a beer, a doer. You first feel the Shakti, the energy of everything, and then you start feeling into that energy. Start feeling into the peace, the bliss that transcends mind, that transcends the physical, that transcends ego, that transcends all physical manifestation. It is what is manifestation created out of, yet remains free of it. remains always peace, always bliss. So what's the key in this? Yes, it's easier to feel in satsang, in the videos, and with the Shakti music. So you have the amplification of this peace energy, this bliss energy. But then we're not doing anything but letting ourselves be as we are, letting our experience be as it is. And in that relaxation, in that surrender of control, we feel the subtlety, the essence of what is really going on. And just like the sand with the sandcastle, we're discovering what thoughts are made of, what experience is made of, what breath is made of, what awareness is made of. If we follow the essence of subtle energy, or we follow the essence of awareness, the essence of consciousness, we come to the same. We come to the one supreme joy. We come to the same goodness that everything is made of. That is our true selves. That is love, that is peace, that is goodness. It's good that we have practices like doing mantras and breathing techniques, but it's also good to put on the Shakti music and allow what is. You don't need to change your present condition in any way. You let it be. Feel into the essence of it. You even have a story you are grappling with, a suffering you are grappling with. What if you allow that suffering? What is the essence of it? You don't look with your mind. You don't look with ego. You look from the surrender of mind and ego, the humbling, the relaxation, the letting go of control. So that is something wonderful to consider. The essence of everything. If you look without mind, without ego, is one supreme bliss, supreme goodness, supreme peace. That this is the true reality, where all other realities are projected upon, are created out of. So if you got something good out of this video, please feel free to comment, like, share. May you be blessed in her one beautiful, infinite bliss. May everyone and everything be blessed in her one beautiful, infinite bliss. Om Reem Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Namaskandikaya Jai Ma. Much, 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 much love. Much love.